Hey, what's up everybody? We back with another video. This time it is not a clipper review. It's a little different. A friend of mine, Yoshi, Cuts for Sale, the owner of Cuts for Sale Barbershop. By the time I post this video, the first part of his podcast will probably be on my YouTube, so be ready to check that out. But he sent me this Andis Master clipper. It's his favorite clipper, but he's on his second one. And after so long of cutting with them, they get super loud. That's crazy. He said he sent this one to Andis. They fixed it. It got quiet. It came back. He cut with it for a little bit and it got loud again, just like it is right now. Then he bought another one, a bronze one, and he said after a week of cutting with that, it got super loud as well. So he dropped them off with me. In this video, I'm gonna take it apart and I'm gonna see if I can see what's going on with it or see if I can fix it. So stay tuned. I hope you guys like this one. I hope I can fix it and I hope this will help others out that may be having the same issue. Let's get into it. Okay, let's open this bad boy up and see what's going on. So it sounds quiet without the blade. Let's blow out some of the hair with the air compressor. So the clipper's clean. We have it apart, not all the way apart, because I wanted to see if it was loud even without the blade, which is not. The motor sounds really strong. And we'll clean the blade, oil the blade, put it back on, run that test, see if it gets quiet. Still super loud. So we know it's loud when the blade's on. When the blade's clean and oiled, still loud. So I'm thinking this is the culprit. I'm pretty sure that's there to kind of hold it tight, or maybe keep as much hair from going down in the body, which I believe is impossible no matter what. But we'll put it together without this and we'll see. Definitely wish I had something to space out there to give that smooth raise, but we'll see. We'll just test it without it, see what it sounds like, and we'll go from there. We might know. Big edge, small edge, big edge goes towards the blade. Make sure they're snug. Some people like their lever loose, which can cause for more vibration. I like mine snug. But I'm gonna snug it up just to rule out anything vibrating. But like I said, I think this blade's moving back and forth in here like this and just touching everything. You know what I mean? It's plastic, so I don't really see too much wear, but this is not going to be stable. It's only going to be stable here, so this might rattle all up in there. On the metal over here, because it doesn't mount on the bottom of the blade. I just see this as a flaw, but I could be wrong. We'll see. This is the only way. You gotta troubleshoot. You gotta take it apart, try different things. I don't know what Andis did when he had sent it to them, but they sent it back and it was quiet for a little while and it got loud again. So to me, it doesn't sound like they fixed it. Maybe they replaced that plastic piece and it was more firm, you know, because the clippers do get warm. And when plastic is warm, it you know, can change shape a little bit. Maybe it's not as flush on the metal how it should be. It's vibrating. I'm not going to zero gap the blade, worry about that, because we might take it back apart. But it sounds better. Oh, no it doesn't. No. So that's not gonna do it. It sounded quieter until I opened it, but that's not gonna do it. See, it sounds good like that. That's what it was sounding like. I remember, I haven't used a master in a long time, but I do remember even my corded ones would get loud I don't remember what it was, but it would get loud. Okay, I got them all back together. You see how they're quiet when there's no blade? That lets me know once the blade's on, that tension causes some kind of vibration somewhere. And we know now it's not the plastic. None of this is rattling. I believe there's a flaw with this rotor here. This rotor here. It's very loose. I've never seen a clipper like that with the little, it's got like a little ball bearing wheel which moves the blade. See that? Usually it's just a shaft that comes out that's solid. And instead of having another moving part on it, I believe that's what's causing all the noise. And that's just something I can't fix. See that? There's a little clip on it. You can remove it. So when he sent it back to Andis, I believe maybe they changed that, and when it's brand new, it's nice and snug. And then after so much use, it kind of starts to get loose, and then it makes the clipper loud. Because other than being loud, it cuts good, but man, this thing is really loud. I'd say louder than a foil shaver, so that's not a fun thing to have in the client's ear. But not sure. A lot of plastic in these things. But I can tell you, these cheap bad boys is quiet. I did a review on these, check that out. Even these old guys, quiet. They don't sound as powerful, but I really never had a problem. Yeah, it sounds like a foil shaver. So we'll put these back together. Show you how loud they are still. I don't see any broken pieces. I don't see anything that would be causing really that issue other than that a little ball bearing wheel on the motor that makes the blade move. So I'm gonna show you. I think it's louder than the foil shaver, but not sure. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. I can't find any broken parts or anything in this, other than that little ball bearing wheel that I think would be causing the noise. Thing is loud. When I press the front cover, it gets a little more quiet. I don't even know if you could hear me on the camera over this, but it is really loud. I wish I could fix it. Not sure what's wrong with it. If any of you know or have figured it out or have heard, let me know. I'd like to fix this for my boy. But I'm not using this. This thing is loud. Can't even talk to your client while you're using this. But yeah. Let me know if you know anything. If any of y'all have fixed this, let me know. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Go to scissorhands.com. You know, I got new merch drop. You can get the, you know, the bus tee, the bus hat, and like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You can see when I'm dropping my podcast, when I'm dropping more videos. I'll probably be dropping the owner of this clipper, Cuts for Sale. The first episode of his podcast, there's 3 episodes. I'll probably be dropping that episode before I drop this. So when I drop this, go check out that podcast episode. But again, thanks for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. Any ideas, let me know. If you know how to fix this, let me know. And we'll catch y'all next time.